In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $23,790 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook groups. Yes, from Facebook groups, free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys how we can create your affiliate account like this one, how we can create an affiliate link, how we can use free traffic, how we can find people who will be interested to buy services or products from you, and so much more. I will share with you all my new methods, my new strategies that I'm using to earn this commission. So let's get started. I made this commission from the first day of June until the day 9 of July. So it's almost like 39 days, okay? I made this commission using free traffic. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, okay? And search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission, guys, and this is from my experience. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay? No one is talking about this one. So just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So just put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You have commission here and you should have clicks, CTR, regression, and for first time buyer, okay? So it's super easy and simple. So what you will do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook groups to earn commission. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook groups to earn a lot of commission. So click on the search over here and search for video editing. Search for video editing service, okay? I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, like this one. This one is level 1 seller. This one has a lot of reviews, over 1k reviews. That's really good. Like, and this one too, over 1k reviews, but I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 1 seller, has a lot of reviews, so I will choose this one. So just click on the seller service that you want to use. Just make sure it's a good seller, okay? Because people will check the reviews, and over 1,000 people paid for this service and 11 orders in queue. So people are buying the service and people need video editor, okay? So what you will do next is you will copy the link of this seller. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, okay? And you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here like this and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook, okay? And we need to choose people who are interested to buy this service, okay? So what you will do, you will open your Facebook homepage. Okay, just open your Facebook homepage like this. Let me show you. So go to your Facebook homepage. So you guys all have a Facebook page. Okay, just open your Facebook page like this. Your Facebook account. Click on the search for video editor. Okay, search for video editor. Okay, and go over here. You have filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join, so make sure to join all those groups. Okay, and after you joined all those groups, they are for free. Click on the, so let's pick for example this group. I'm gonna choose this one, video editing professionals. You will be directly in this group. Scroll down, and here you go. Looking for a video editor for YouTube videos. I will provide script and audio. This person is searching for video editor, and that's why I choose this service, video editing service on Fiverr, to promote it as an affiliate on Facebook groups. Okay, so I'm showing you guys what's working. Okay, so this person, and I show you how we can find people who will be interested, who are searching for video editor. No one will share with you this. Okay, go and watch other videos. No one will share with you like those methods. Okay, anyway, it's because this business model is working. Here is here is a person searching for a video editor. Let's scroll down. Okay, it's the same person, but let's scroll down. We should find another person searching for the video editor. Here is another person, and they are just posted this post today. Okay, I'm looking for an editor who can work for me, creating one vlog a week, short reels. Okay, this one searching for video editor. Let's scroll down. I need video editor to edit videos like this. This person is searching for video editor. You guys have a lot of customers here. Those people who are searching for video editor, they are your customers. You just need to convince those people to buy this service from you, and you can make a lot of money with this method. I'm gonna choose the first person, this one, searching for video editor for his YouTube videos. Let me see. Okay, let's scroll down. You should, if you click on the name of this person, you should find the message, so you can talk with this person. So I'm gonna choose another person. Let me see if we can find. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down like this one. Let's see. Okay, like this one. Okay, this one is searching for a video editor for his vlog 1 week. He will post 1 week. That's really good. So what I will do, I will click on his name, and I will click on message. Okay, and I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my affiliate link. So how we can do it? So to create a professional and friendly message, go to ChatGPT. We will just use AI to create an amazing and professional message. If you don't have ChatGPT account, go to Google, search for ChatGPT like this. So just click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on ChatGPT website, and I'm just using the free version. You can click on message, and you can copy this message. I asked ChatGPT AI to create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link, and here is a professional message. I hope you are doing well. I want to share something that has really helped me enhance my video content. If you are looking to take your videos to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the talented video editors on Fiverr. They have made a hug difference in my project, and I'm sure they can do the same for you. And here is a professional and friendly message. That's a good message. Okay, all you have to do, you need to copy this message. Okay, just copy this message like this. So I'm gonna copy this one, and they will go back to Facebook, and they will send this message to this person like this. It's super easy. and here you need to put your affiliate link between those over here. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete this. I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for you, you will have new account. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, just copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. I always like to use this website to make my affiliate links short link to make them looks professional and branding. It's not important, but I like to do it. Just go to this website if you want, click on shorten, put your affiliate link here and click on shorten. And here you go. Copy your affiliate link from here, go to Facebook, and I will put my affiliate link here like this, and I will click on send, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. Okay, as you can see. So if this person is still searching for video editor for his YouTube videos to make one vlog per week, as you can see, he will check your message. This is professional message. If he is interested, he will click on your affiliate link. For example, if he click here, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr to this video editing service. He will click on continue, request to order, click on continue here, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. You are helping those people to find a good video editor, professional video editor, so you will get commission. Those people will get more orders. Your customer will be happy with editing. He will grow his YouTube channel. He will get a professional video editing service, get more views, more subscribers, and that's it. It's super easy, okay? But you need to stay consistent. You need to keep searching for. So every single day, if you come to those groups, you will find a lot of new customers searching for video editors every day, okay? And you need to stay consistent. You need to learn how you can talk with your customers, how to convince your people to buy those services from you, and you can make a lot of money with this method, okay? I'm sharing with you what's working. I'm sharing with you which services working. I'm sharing with you people who are searching for those services. So what's left is you need to convince those people to buy those services from you, and you will earn commission, okay? It's really super easy, guys, but it need time. You need to learn how to talk with your customers. Go to YouTube if you don't know. Learn how to talk with your customers, how to convince customers to buy services or products from you, and you will earn a lot of commission using these methods. If you can't get commission, the problem is you. It's not me. For me, I'm sharing with you all the methods. I'm sharing with you how you can find a good service, how you can find people with proof. I'm showing you that those people are searching for video editors on Facebook groups, okay? So that's it, guys. I'm also working on a course, an affiliate marketing course. This will be the best affiliate marketing course ever on YouTube, okay? Will be the best affiliate marketing course. This will be the #1 affiliate marketing course, okay? I know I'm giving this course a lot of time to make it the best one that anyone can watch and start making results from his first month, okay? If he stay consistent, if he will guarantee me that he will work hard and do what I said in my course, he will get commission and fast, okay? The course will be ready in the next 2 weeks, maybe. I'm really making my effort to make it done as soon as possible, guys. And that's it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and make sure to like this video if you want to see more methods for free like this. I'm sharing this for free, and you can see and you can imagine what will be inside my course. I'm sharing this, what I'm sharing with you on YouTube for free. A lot of people are buying this in courses, okay? And a lot of people don't know even those methods. This is my own methods, okay? So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this, and see you in my next videos.